Hello friends, and today we're going to model this tricky little ring. So let's start. First thing first, it's about 3 by 3 centimeters, and I think it's about like 2 in diameter. And the first thing that we are going to do is this tribal pattern. So I will take the control point curve and just start making this type of pattern. Just try to make all these things a bit different. So one is a bit smaller, second one is a bit bigger, and third one is the middle between them. And then you will have like a nice pattern here. So yeah, let's leave it like that. And now we definitely can take and position it in the correct place. Something like this, I guess. So they're not super joining together. And now I can just press G to join them to have this nice silhouette. And next thing, let me just make him a bit bigger. Yeah, something like that. I think will work pretty good. Central circle. And make it from the top, like this. And it should be 2 centimeters in diameter, so it's 20 millimeters. Something like that. We don't need to be super exact here. If you're making a real ring and you know like the diameter of your finger, then yeah, it can play a big difference here. Maybe we will try to 3D print it and maybe it will look cool, I think. Nice. And now we can just project this thing onto the body and just adjust him. So we'll put it in the center and just do a little adjustment here. So it will fit perfectly in this thing and won't give us headaches. And next thing, we need to project it here, but we need to be aware that we need to make it like that. So a bit parallel to this thing. And after we kind of position it in this right place, we will turn it like that, select it and do a Shift I and imprint it here. Right click to apply. Perfect. So now we have a nice sheet over here. And I will hide the original curve. I will take this thing and do a Shift D here. And I will create the mesh of it over here. So F, thicken. And let's drop it like that, generously, on couple millimeters, I guess, maybe a little bit more, something like that will work cool. Next thing, we will do a little bevels on this thing, so select them like that, Control Shift Alt and click it. And now holding Shift, just do a small thing like that. And now select one, hide this one, you don't need it, and just bevel it out generously. You will have something like that, and you want to do it until it say you that I'm almost done. Like somewhere over here, it's good. Okay, right click to apply it. We can take this thing and make it maybe less big, and now you can kind of left it like it is, or you can bring it to the next level with a simple trick. You will take this sheet and you will do we'll take that face and you will just move it over here, but somewhere like that. So we will actually cut everything that is kind of like this crappy stuff. And in some cases you want to leave this top part, but I really don't want to. I'll put it here. Make sure that you are cutting all nasty shit. Right click to apply it. Drop F. Thicken it again. Like this. And just select this Q, right click to apply. Here we go. And this shit, I will put it to the shit collection, like that. And here we have it. Very cool pattern here. So you can see that. Pretty cool one. Like smooth, and then hard. And if you don't like this hardness, you can always take this thing and just do a nice one little bevel. And I think it should be G2 here, if it allows us. Allow us do a G2, but super thin one. Something like that will work perfect. Right click to apply. And if we look here, yeah, we see this nice little edge. Super sexy one. And we definitely want one from this side too. Just a small one, super small one. I think let's drop the G2. That's cool. Okay, so we have our base shape here. We can easily make Alt X and move it over here. Perfect. Just make sure that they are not matching in one place. Now we can bring back our ring, and I will take it and do F redundant topology to get rid of those things. And I will make it but a little bit bigger because we need to make this hole here. The hole is not super complicated, but it has some unique things on it. Okay, so we make it like that, I think. And now we need to kind of drop some shape over here. So it's basically going to be a circle of some sort. Can I just make it in the perfect center? Like this. And move it over here. And now we need to, so let me isolate it. We need to make something like that. Yeah, actually something like that, but a little bit different, like this. And bevel it out like that. Yeah, to have this kind of shape. And now Alt X, F, make it here. That leaf shape, yeah. And I will select it, do a Shift D to have the pattern, and delete all of these things I don't need. Get out of the isolation mode, and now we can freely just perform a boolean here. C, cut, right click, X, that's good. And I also need to make this one kind of flow inside of it. So yeah, I will basically need this curve. Just delete that solid. And this one is going to be offsetted over here like this. And yep, I will kind of delete this, do a Shift C, cut, right click, delete, and now I need to make kind of like circle here. yeah, just will drop this and this, join it together and bankroll it like that. Perfect. That's nice. And let's just see, cut, right click, apply everything that we already done. I will continue this thing to have this type of pattern here. It's pretty cool. And I think maybe I should have this one less kind of like fat. Let's drop it like this. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. And now I need to make the central circle and cut the hole inside of it. Make it like this, I think. And C, cut, right click X. So here is our ring. Perfect little ring. Yeah, like this. And let it flow inside of this tribal thing. Like that. Maybe we can even try to make it a bit narrower over here. Yeah, if you have like measurements, you can position everything without any problem. I'm just making it for fun. Oh yeah, and I definitely don't need this part on the top. So I will need to cut it somewhere over here, I think. Let's make it here. So this, and this. Yeah, I think this is good. I need to make it like this. Let's try it. Let's do Alt X, drop it here. Take that and that, and then take that and that. We'll have a nice one, and just boolean it out here. Okay, Q. Yep. And delete this too. Nice. I don't need all of these things. Just delete them. Alt H. Try to match it like that. And just kind of flow this thing inside. That's good. And the same, I think, about this thing. I can also make it more kind of flower here. Yeah, that's good. And just Alt X it from this side to this side and Q to merge it. And here we have it. Here we have it. We can just boolean it together and it's all good. And the only thing we're left to kind of like join them together in that part. I am not sure that I can do it like this. Let me just try F, match face, and drop it here. Yeah, I actually can do that. Oh, and it's actually made it everywhere. Wow, that's cool. So sometimes it can give you a superb results. Bevel it all. Yeah, so we can take this too and just drop. Let's try full. No, it doesn't want to do full. We definitely want to do something like G2 maybe. Let's do it from every side here. Like that, like that. Take everything. And just make it like that. This have nice chamfers here, but this part is definitely like that. I feel it, so it should be like that. And let's drop 8 chamfers here. That's cool, yeah, something like this. And maybe a couple of bevels from here and here. Like that. Very cool. And Alt exit to the side, Q, merge it. Wow, that's cool. That's very cool one. redundant topology, just select everything, F, redundant topology, save it, hide it. Yeah, look at this, pretty cool one. And basically to connect them, we just need to make it a bit bigger, like that. Or these things should be a bit smaller, just adjust them. And make it something like this. And yeah, just QQ. It will give you a good result. And if it allows you, just bevel it up. If it's not, just kick some holes and bevel it up. Just drop a Shift D and do a pipe. F, rebuild, make it a bit bigger. Pipe. And just boolean it out like that. Yeah, make it like this. Okay, so we need to select all of these edges. Yeah, the hard ones. And just without this thing. And just bevel them. Like a generous bevel here. Nice, like this. Right click to apply. Cool. So here we have it. And yep, nice thing. And now I will hide this one because I don't need it anymore. And I will just merge this. And yeah, I think I will do the pipe here too. Let me just do a quick pipe here. And right click to apply it. And let's just quick match it. So yeah, here you have it. Lofted mesh ring. You need to Alt-X it and it will be totally finished. You can try to 3D print it. Maybe I will 3D print it and we will see how it go. But I'm pretty sure it can be absolutely good. So yeah, I hope you are staying healthy, model cool things, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.